At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Williamstown to near Pittsfield to Chatham, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsfield, North Adams, Chatham, Adams, Williamstown, Lee, Lenox, Cheshire, New Lebanon, Beckett, Austerlitz, Florida, Hancock, Savoy,
The
New
whole entire
Hampshire,
state of
Berkshire,
Florida's in this
Dalton,
cool
Kent,
country.
Lanesboro, and Hinsdale.
Florida.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia and Rensselaer, and Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Right there. Florida. Oh well.
What? Heat index values up.
Is the stream up? Because last time I saw that it wasn't up. It was up, but it didn't have the no video. Yeah, no. Alrighty. Severe thunderstorm warning from Albany.